Hey everybody, I'm Jackie Epperson and I'm here to share with you the new beautiful Milky Caramel French Balayage, plus the new Purple Lightening Balm from Blonde Studio. This lightener is amazing, so easy to mix, so creamy and beautiful. It lifts up to 8 levels and is amazing for painting. For the Milky Caramel French Balayage, I'm going to be working diagonal back in a zigzag pattern. And as you can see with this lightener, it's such a good consistency for painting. One of the things I love about it is it already has the bonder inside, and that way I know that my client's hair is staying super protected. One of my pro tips working with a zigzag pattern is this is an easy way to cover a lot of ground quickly, but also maintain depth at the scalp, especially when working on darker bases. The other thing I love is to make sure that I let my brush go dry as I work up towards the scalp so that I know that the blend is going to be seamless. As I continue to work up the front sections, I'm going to keep my zigzags a little bit smaller to make sure that that blend looks beautiful and goes with her natural hairline. My next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take her back once she's done processing, rinse her hair, and start to prepare my Milky Caramel French Balayage Gloss. For this, I'm using Light, 20 grams of 7.8, 20 grams of 7.01, and the little bit of Sneak is 3 grams of 8.43 to make sure that caramel color is just perfect. I'm now going to finish her off with Absolute Repair Molecular to make sure I take care of this beautiful dark hair that we've now turned into the most dimensional Milky Caramel French Balayage. I'm so happy I got to share it with you and also share with you the new Purple Lightning Balm. Thanks so much.